This video is going to help you compare numbers. Let's read the directions. Compare the numbers and put a greater than, this symbol, less than, this symbol, or equal to, this symbol, sign. Here. Use the place value chart to help you. So we're going to take each of these numbers and put them into the place value chart. So the first number will be written in red. I would like to see you start and think, all right, this 7 is in the ones place. So I'm going to put the 7 in the ones place. And you're going to delete the question mark and type it in, but I'm just going to write over it. 7. Then the 2 is in the tens place. Then the 9 is in the hundreds place. This 2 is in the thousands place. This 1 is in the 10,000s place, and the 3 is in the 100,000s place. Some mistakes that we see is that if you don't start in the ones place to write it in, sometimes people start in the 100,000s place or whichever place is greatest, but we know that we have to start in the ones and build our number. Our next number is written in green. So here in the ones place we have a 2. In the tens place we have a 7. In the hundreds place we have a 9. In the thousands place we have a 1. In the 10,000s place we have 2. And in the 100,000s place we have a 3. Now we're going to compare. How do I know which of these numbers are larger? Well, we have to start in the largest place. They both have 300,000. So let's look in the next largest place. They do not have the same amount of 10,000. So which is greater? 1 10,000 or 2 10,000s? 2 10,000s is greater. So that means that this whole number is larger. So the symbol that we need if our green number is larger is less than. Because if we read this, it is 312,924 is less than, this number is less than this number, 321,972. Now here's the tricky part. We are going to write and explain how do you know which number is larger. And I've already written a sentence stem here for you. I know that which number? Well, the green number. So I'm going to write 321,972 is larger because, now how did we figure out that it was larger? Well, both numbers had 300,000s. Both numbers had 300,000s with an S. But then we went to the 10,000s, and two 10,000s is larger than 1 10,000. Or I could shorten that and say that this number is larger because both had 300,000s, but this number had one more 10,000s. But 321,972 has one more 10,000 than 312,927. So it's a little bit of a long response, but it could have been a lot longer. So if we're really concise in our words, it's easy to describe why we know which number is larger. Now we're going to do the next problem. You are going to write these numbers in your place value chart. Remember to start in the ones place and build your number up. Pause the video so that you can do that. So now we need to start comparing in the largest place. If we are looking in the 100,000s, which is the largest place, is 700,000 larger or is 900,000 larger? 900,000 is larger. So that means that no matter what other numbers are in this problem, 900,000 is much larger than 700,000. So again, we're going to say 780,623 is less than 922,299. How do you know which number is larger? I know that, and then you're going to write this number is larger because, well, we started off by looking in the 100,000s. So we could say because I compared the 100,000s. And 900,000s is more than 700,000s. Great job. I hope this helped. Make sure that on each slide you put the numbers into the place value chart, use the greater than, less than, or equal to sign, fill in the blank that I left for you, then complete the sentences on your own. You have 2 problems to do independently. This is what each one looks like. Go ahead and do that now.